So this is Husqvarna ts242 and it was not starting always. This connector is under this disconnector and sometimes when you bang this it starts. And what I found out that all of these connectors, they don't have any like pressure against the pins in the connector. These are sort of dead. So if you try like with this kind of lamp connector, it's not like holding correctly. As you see, it's now in the connector and I can just, there is no pressure. So I'm changing these connectors. Because these are a little bit different. There you can see the spring parts is totally dead or missing. So this has, it's not going to lock inside that connector unless you shave off a little bit of these outer edges. So I grounded away a little bit there. Then just do and to release these, there is sort of groove on the top where you can press this tab down, and this has the new tab. And what I did, I took this small screwdriver and grinded it down so it's thinner. I can push it here. So I first sort of push it there and then with another wider push it away from the connector. That's how it's done. I'm gonna change the rest of I already changed it like 4 or 5. I have 2 to go. Then I'm gonna plug it back. It's quite tight here to put it back, but I think I can get it. It makes it very unreliable because it's also cutting the ignition when this is not connection. So it's cutting out even if it starts. There it is. Back place I had to little loose the tank to get better access. Because we already sometime earlier did this. The fuel pump was not working, so we added this. So the tank is higher, so it first works with gravity feed. So it makes the space less. It's best to like rotate the wire to here, because here you have this groove and you can make the new connection, then rotate it back and put it back. It's quite stiff because all of those connectors are now so tight and you have a lot of those connectors. And also I took this, loosened this so I can get more space to my hand. It's a good idea to remove the battery, or at least the negative. I have this lithium battery that was left from one of my motorcycles. There has been this kind of dust cover here. Let's try it. One thing we also put this is easily flooding the carburetor. We'll put this fuel tap here. And sometimes we just open it after it has started. So put that there, press the pedal. This is off. Then now the fuel is off. Let's put it on. Yes, it seems to work. When it's cold, this almost shuts down the engine because it takes so much power, but when it's warmer it works better. That's about it. This has caused a lot of trouble, this connector.